So we were about to throw out this giant wood box when we realized we could make a really cool video with it. We decided to cut a hole in it and put a tank of water below it. After patching holes and leaks, we were able to top it off with some ice so the water was freezing. And I needed to be able to catch a fish really quickly, so we attached a little magnet to the lure. And then it was time for me to dive in. Already got a fish on? Cut!
This is gold.